Dot School presents Solving Exponential Equations 1. When two equal expressions are on the same base, the exponents have to be equal. For example, if we say that 2 raised to the x is equal to 8, then the only number that fits in place of this x is 3, because 2 raised to the 3 is 2 times 2 times 3, which is 8. You cannot think of any other number that you can raise 2 to so that the answer is 8. To write down that formally, we say 2 raised to the x is equal to 2 raised to the third which in turn implies x is equal to 3. And in general, if b raised to the x is equal to b raised to the y, then x is equal to y, provided b is not equal to 0. If you make the base 0, you can as well write 0 raised to the 10 is equal to 0 raised to the 10,000, because both expressions evaluate to 0. But does that mean 10 is equal to 10,000? Okay, let's do a couple of problems. Let's say we have 2 raised to the 2x minus 1 is equal to 32. So our plan is to rewrite 32 as 2 raised to the something. Now if you think of the number 32, 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16, and 16 times 2 is 32. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 2's in this. Therefore 32 is the same as 2 raised to the 5th, and that's equal to 2 raised to the 2x minus 1. They're on the same base. Therefore we can safely say that 2x minus 1 is equal to 5. Add 1 to both sides. We have 2x is equal to 6. Divide both sides with 2. X is equal to 3. 3 is the only number that could fit in. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. 2 raised to the 5th is 32. Let's do another one. Let's say this time we have 4 raised to the 5x minus 3 is equal to 1/16 raised to the x minus 2. Once again, we cannot say 5x minus 3 is equal to x minus 2 or something like that until and unless we have the same base on both sides. The trick is to change 1/16 as an exponent of 4. Now if you think about 1/16, that is equal to 16 is 4 times 4. So therefore this is going to be 1/4 times 4, which is 1/4 square. Now 1/4 square is nothing but 4 raised to the negative second power. Our aim was to rewrite this as a power of 4. Therefore we are going to replace the 1/16, only this portion, with 4 raised to the negative second power. 4 raised to the 5x minus 3, no change on that side, is equal to 4 raised to the negative second power, and that raised to the x minus 2. And that implies 4 raised to the 5x minus 3. We are not done as yet because we need to multiply this with this. When an exponent is raised to another exponent, the exponents are multiplied. Therefore this is going to be 4 raised to the negative 2 times x minus 2. There you go. Both sides are on the same base 4. Now we can safely say the exponents are the same. 5x minus 3 is equal to negative 2 times x minus 2. Distribute the negative 2. 5x minus 3 is equal to negative 2x plus 4, negative 2 times negative 2 is a plus 4. Bring that negative 2x on the other side, which means add 2x to both sides. And bring the 3 on the other side, which means add 3 to both sides. So that we have 5x plus 2x, that's 7x. These two cancel, is equal to, these two cancel, 4 plus 3 is 7, which means x is equal to 1. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you soon.